How can you write the answer for the question? Question. Design an algorithm and AC program to insert an element into a one-dimensional array at a specified position and explain the steps involved in the insertion process. Answer. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations, allowing efficient storage and access using indices. It is declared in C using the syntax data type array name within square bracket size, where data type defines the type of elements, array name is the array's identifier, and size specifies the number of elements. For example, int numbers of 5 declares an integer array with 5 elements. Arrays can be initialized during declaration, such as int numbers of 5 equals opening braces 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 closing braces. Indices range from 0 to size -1, and uninitialized elements may hold garbage values. To insert an element into an array at a specified position means to add a new element at a specific location within the array while ensuring that the other elements remain in their respective positions. The insertion requires shifting some elements to make space for the new one. Shift the elements starting from the last element at index n-1 to the right by one position. Algorithm to insert an element into a one-dimensional array at a specified position. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Input the size of the array n. Step 3. Input the elements of the array. Step 4. Input the element to be inserted. Item. Step 5. Input the position where the element should be inserted. Pause. Step 6. Check if the position pos is valid, that is 1 less than or equal to pos less than or equal to n plus 1. If the position is invalid, print an error message and exit. Step 7. Shift the elements in the array starting from the last element down to the position pos -1 by one place to the right. For I equals n-1 to pos -1, do array of I plus 1 equals array of I. Step 8. Insert the element at position pos -1 in the array. Array of pos -1 equals item. Step 9. Increase the size of the array by 1. N equals n plus 1. Step 10. Print the updated array. Step 11. End. Explanation of the code. Input the number of elements. The program first asks the user to enter the number of elements n they want in the array. Input the elements. It then reads these elements and stores them in an array R. Input the element to insert. The user is asked to enter the value, item, they wish to insert into the array. Input the position. The user is prompted to enter the position, pos, where they want to insert the element. The valid range for this position is from 0 to n-1, as arrays in C are 0 indexed. Validate the position. If the position is invalid, less than 0 or greater than or equal to n, the program prints an error message and terminates. Shift elements to make space. If the position is valid, the program shifts all elements from pos to n-1, one position to the right to make room for the new element. Insert the new element. The element item is then inserted at the specified position pos. Update the array size. The variable n is incremented by 1 to reflect the new number of elements. Print the new array. The updated array is printed with the new element inserted at the specified position. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.